Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have already done with our Easter break and it was a nice refreshing time for us that we all got. You would be noticing that I am in a different background because I'm not making this vlog from the university. I usually do that, but that day I wasn't well, so I couldn't do the vlogging. So now I'm here to give you all the updates for week 8. So, our this week's topic was business model canvas, and we were supposed to create a business model for our problem. I already discussed about what business model is in the last vlog in week 7, and we have to prepare a final business model for our problem, which was international students getting exploited and getting paid in cash. So we did that. And we also discussed some of the issues that we were facing with this problem, that should we go with this problem or should we change with our lecture. But we cleared it out and we came to a conclusion that we are going with this problem, and we will be heading up with the presentation and everything with the pitch as well, speech for this topic only. In the last vlog, I discussed about the business model that we took as an example was an Apple. But now we are heading up with the final business model of our problem. So let's just discuss few things about what we wrote in a business model. Then I will be showing that the business model as well. So the first thing is the key partners are university students and TAFE students, legal aid centers, ethical employees, media developer, and the web partners. So, our key resources for the problem are the legal advisors, specialists in the labor rights, because we are focusing on the rights of the students, and the content creators and sales and marketing team. Our key activities that we are basically focusing are the verification of the employees and the employers as well, creating a multilingual education system. And then our value proposition is that we are going to create an all in one platform for international students. And we're only going to show the verified job listing, no fake job listing will be shown. And will also help the students to connect with the good employer. And also, the main thing which we are like thinking that we are going to do is like verifying international students as well. We talked about verifying the employers, but verifying international students is very important as well. So, the customer relationships are the students can report if any fraud things are happening, and the trust and the safety assistance that we are going to offer, and the community engagement options as well. And the customer segments is the international students, universities, and recent graduates from the universities as well, and parents of international students as well, because this is very important. Like, we also have to include the parents of international students, because anyhow, like when we are coming alone to a new country, parents are somewhere involved. They are the decision maker for us, because we are very new to the country. We have to tell them each and everything, and then they, I think, like they make the decision for us, like when we do not have any experience of entering in a new country and settling down there. There was something new that we discussed in this week was about the cash cows, small margin products, and the loss leaders. So you would be confused, what are these three terminologies? So cash cows are the products or the services that consistently create a strong and a stable profit with very little amount of investments, whereas the small margin products are the items which are sold with very low profit, and the loss leaders are the products that are sold at a loss to attract the customers. Sometimes, when we are running our own business, just to create a good market value, the businessman also has to incur some loss. So the first activity for this week was to create a elevator pitch. So what is an elevator pitch? It is a small and a pervasive summary of our ideas and our products or service what we are going to deliver, and it is usually done to grab the attention, to explain our values clearly to the customers, and to develop some interest in the conversation. So moving on to our next activity, so we were given some of the words to define our brand position, and we did that, and that was a pretty interesting activity. So that's all for week 8's vlog content. And I will be coming up with the next vlog, the next upcoming week, that we are going to discuss our presentation ideas. And I think in the third week, we have to present our presentation to the class. So that will be an good opportunity and interesting activity for us. So, till that time, stay tuned and see you. Bye bye.